Hey guys, welcome back. I'm EDC Connor and you're watching EDC Watches channel, and this is my collection. Uh, this is not my whole collection, but it is a collection and I enjoy watching collection videos. And let's just cut the bow and get right straight into it, and I'm sure I will come up with some bow alongside. So first watch here was just filming some watches. I was playing around. I brought some watches home to check them out, to play around, and I usually keep my watches away from home. So this is Seiko Panda. This is 6138 Seiko Panda. It just looks gorgeous, and it's one of those values. I just shot a video talking about new kids on the block, which probably you are watching this. I see you buying modern Seiko Pandas, silver ones, quartz ones, and whatnot. And if you dig deep into the eBay and history and whatnot, you can find these Seiko Pandas. At one point they were very expensive, but as things go up, things go down, and I think you can still find one of these. And this is the Seiko Panda. This is iconic Seiko watch, and it's Pacific. It's 6138 chronograph, automatic chronograph, first automatic chronographs. At the same time when El Primero and Hoyer, they came up with the first automatic watch. Some people arguing that Seiko at the same time came out with their automatic chronograph version. I think that someplace, somewhere, I read it somewhere that Seiko conceded and congratulated Zenith or whoever, Hoyer, that on being the first. So, but it's the same time, same history, and other than that, this is just a gorgeous watch, just beautiful, gorgeous watch to have, to enjoy, and check this out. Beautiful Panda. Beautiful Panda, and it's automatic, it's Seiko, and this is one of the coolest Seiko watches. You can have your modern cocktail times, whatever modern, but this is the coolest Seiko. So let's move on. Let me just check something's wrong with the cover of the video. Next watch, I have this guy here. This is one of my latest purchases. This is IWC 3717. I did a review, so you can see most of watches, probably all of these watches you see here. I have a full dedicated video for them, so I'm not gonna dwell on. So IWC, very underrated if you ask me, especially in today's collectors circles. You can see collections consisting of 5 Tudor watches, 2 Tudor Royales, 2 times. You can see Black Base. They're all good watches, but why you have 5 Tudor watches? If you have a Tudor Omega Breitling money, I highly recommend you check out IWC. IWC are not that hot. In the early 2000s, IWC was the watch to have. Rolex was not. People were trading their Rolexes for IWC, and they were paying the money, and you know the deal. And I recently, someone left a comment on my video, and I did a video. I'm yet to see an ugly IWC watch. It's a real challenge. If you have seen ugly IWC watch, check, please let me know. And they are all well done. Beautiful craftsmanship, super accurate. And this one's brushed finish, but you can see the beveling here on the edges, which is polished. Great, great, great bang for your buck these days. Okay, what else do I have here? I have a couple of G-Shocks. This is my favorite G-Shock, the W5600. Really, my favorite G-Shock of them all, and I love how it looks on the wrist. Check this out. Have I showed you the WC? Let me show you just how this looks on the wrist. Okay. So so this is my favorite G-Shock. I think every collection should have a G-Shock, but I have two, and this one actually has a step counter. You just press this button here. I have 0 steps because I have been wearing this. I wear this when I work, and you can see some character on it. Let me show you. See some character here in there. It was brand new when I got it. This one I like this one better. This is my like a fancy G-Shock, and this one is beater G-Shock, but I love them all, and I do enjoy them. I like G-Shocks with this regular light, and not G-Shocks with hands and those stupid lights. Anyways, I have two G-Shocks, GBD800 and DW5600. Absolutely love them. What else do I have? This is Seiko 5. This is my first automatic watch, and this watch got me into watches, and I got into researching and learning about watches, and that's how I learned what's an automatic watch. And it was my father gave this watch to me, and my father passed away, and now this watch means even more than ever. And actually I'm gonna wear it today. I'm gonna wear this guy here. I love it. It wears like a Datejust. It wears like a vintage 36mm Datejust, and this is a great option. Seiko 5 is always the best first automatic watch, if you ask me. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, just a strap. Let me show you what else. Yeah, I have here a beautiful vintage Omega Constellation, and you know what's going on with the camera. I swear to God, the older phones had better cameras. Doesn't matter the specs and whatnot, but yeah, the older phones had better cameras. Okay, I think I fixed it. Okay, now this is my old Omega Constellation. I just love it. It's one of the smallest watches I have, but it's just gorgeous, and I love it. And I just keeping it real. It has a Hirsch strap, and it has a plexi that is scratched up a little bit, but I'm not touching it. People keep asking me when sometimes I wear it. I haven't worn it in a while, but people ask me, why don't you polish that crystal? And I say, I just want. I don't know why, but yeah, I love it. The crown has a little bit of a wear, and this is like a perfect watch for me until I get a Calatrava one day. And yeah, gorgeous watch, vintage Omega, always great value. What else do I can show you? I want to show you this guy here. This is This is a Mido watch. Again, you can see the full video on this watch. I don't want to talk too much about it, but it has 2892, 2893 ETA movement, and it's the 10 ETA movement, and it has a thin profile. It's here, it has a thin case, and I got this for cheap, and I'm keeping it because I like it. It's a nice dress watch, and see the movement here. You can see the bridges. The bridge has some here perlage, which is machined, but it's still nice to see. You get those, for example, Tissot entry level automatic Swiss, and you see nothing there. Here it has some stripes on the rotor. Let's say it's Côte de Genève, but I know it's all machined, but it doesn't matter. Check this out. May not look much on camera, but in real life it's really gorgeous. It has a nice dial, sapphire crystal. It has blued hands, that's why I put the blue strap on it, but maybe it doesn't show on the video, but it's a great watch. And if you're operating on a budget, go on eBay and you find one of these older. Nowadays they're using Powermatic movements, and I still believe these ETAs are the better option. Hop on eBay and every day, and you can find a bargain just like this one. Okay, I want to show you this guy here, and another guy, and that's it. So this is Citizen NY044 something. It's a classic Citizen Pro Master. Just beautiful watch on a Vario strap. This is a Vario Singapore strap, and I wear this watch. Also, I wear it at the work when I'm working, but kind of like the G-Shock because it has a rubber band, and it's easier to wash. And when you are wearing NATO bands, you have to wash them periodically because of the sweat. So yeah, this is all-time classic, and I just love it. I've been wearing it in a while, but every time I see this, sometimes I consider selling this, but every time I pull it out here and see this, I like it, and I think it works on this green strap. It worked great. And next watch I have here, is the Seiko SKX. So these two are two Hall of Famers. Let me just shake them a little bit. Seiko SKX, and when someone has this instead of a new SRPD Seikos, you can tell they're old school. They're old school collectors, just like me. And yeah, sometimes you feel old, but still, I like these fellas. Let me just show you the wrist shots here. Let me just show you. I love it. I have the Militat bracelet for SKX, but somehow I just love this one. This is a rich watch band, so shout out to Rich watch bands. Yeah, I love it. Classic piece, and something I will always love, and hopefully one day I will give these and introduce my boy, my son, to the automatic watches through some of these, but I'm gonna need first him to learn to appreciate watches and automatic watches, so that's a whole different story. Yeah, two classics. Yeah, so that's it. Let me just sum it up a little bit. So, not a bad collection, eh? I always enjoy watching collection videos, so I hope you enjoyed the collection videos, this collection video, and if you did, do tell me what do you think and write me down in the comment section. What's your watch collection? What do you have in your watch collection? How many watches do you have in your watch collection? And yeah, what's your favorite one? At the end of the day, collection videos are my favorite on YouTube.